Aw, come on. No actual crashes? Mari. Weak sauce.
Oh! There's like guts everywhere! Hey everyone, this is a Two Girls One Quick Look of INFINIDEER. Oh, INFINIDEER.
Yeah, like infinity, but
well,
INFINIDEER.
You know, I'm almost having a seizure right now, so it's hard for me to read it.
INFINIDEER!
My name's Mari!
Click to move, die, repeat, live forever!
The one who's very excited is Stacy, because Stacy loves colorful things.
Listen to it's like the music and just everything, what is happening.
I think we're supposed to cross the road. I'm not sure.
Come on! Oh, Mari!
Or maybe we're not supposed to cross the road. I think we're supposed to cause the maximum amount of, like, damage.
Wait, so we want to cause damage, or we want to...
I'm not sure, actually.
Do we want to make it, or... Try to make it and see what happens.
Oh! Oh, I think we need to survive while at the same time causing problems. Yeah.
Perfect. So we want to live, we just want to cause people to crash.
Well, did you know that the animal that causes the most amount of damage and, like, deaths in the United States is the deer?
Ah! Ah!
Ah! We made it! Now what?
Now we live on forever and just keep darting across the road and causing everybody to die!
It's my true self. This is like a Nan deer. Wow.
This is amazing.
We're really causing some problems.
Get back on that road! Oh!
Oh, shit! There's a skull coming out with like a jaw. Did you see that? And like intestines.
Alright, let's do this! Ah! Aw, come on. No actual crashes? Mari. Weak sauce.
Oh! There's like guts everywhere. This is the happiest death ever. Maybe the point is to get them to almost... Yeah, here we go.
Yeah. Yep, there we go. Woo! Oh! Oh my god, you see the jawbone on the ground? Whee! Oh, those guys almost collided. That would have been awesome.
It's never-ending party! You're invited! Doomed to jam in purgatory forever. But at least we earned 9150 points. Oh, whoa. What the fuck?
Oh my god.
Oh, we got like happy, like more death. Ah!
Oh! What have you done?
Happiness. Oh, we're bunny friends. Did we kill them?
Yes. Everybody died. Holy shit, a deer! Oh my god.
Look at all our dead bodies. Oh, did you see the intestines and skulls?
Oh, we're the worst kinds of people.
We're the best kinds.
We're the best kinds. I mean, depending on how you look at it.
Oh! Little meat nuggets. What are those little tiny things?
Yes! Yeah, just dart around.
I thought the point was to cross the road. That's what I thought the point was. I thought we were supposed to cross the road. But really, we're supposed to cause massive destruction.
Oh, this is way better than just crossing the road. Whoa. Yes!
Oh, I wonder if we got more, Oh, we didn't get more bunnies.
Aw. Yeah, we did!
We got bunnies. Okay, come on, bunny.
So we gotta all run around. Oh!
Oh, bunnies, your intestines.
Oh, did you see the
like
little drumstick?
Yeah.
Ah!
All right, I think we've had enough.
Wow.